So this is the cutesun Nespresso machine. This makes coffee with the original parts for Nespresso, not the virtual one, but the original, the smaller one. This is what it looks like. This is where your parts go, and I think this can also make a Keurig, because of the size of the disc. I think it can also make a K-cup. It can fit a K-cup. I haven't tried it yet, but I think so. This is the water reservoir back here. Haven't opened it yet. Completely detachable, which I love, for washing. And then this comes off, and this part right here is for your cup. It's detachable too, for easy washing. This part comes out. This is where your pots fall in. After you make it pretty simple and really cute. I like it. And then this is a black color. I think it comes in a white and also white and rose gold color, but this is the black rose gold version. I love it. And the water reservoir is like big enough to contain, you know, maybe a week worth of coffee. And also these two buttons here is the cup size, so if you want a big cup or a shot, for those who drink espressos only, so that's your espresso shot and that's your coffee shot right there. Love it. It's beautiful.
Una device.
No, estamos haciendo la primera vez. Claro. ¿Ves? Ya ahí reventó el denso. Ah, ya lo sentimos.
Divina device, como mi suegra.
Siempre la primera vez tiene su lentitud porque tiene que calentar la mano.
Café con aroma de mujer.
¿Ves? Si quieres menos, tú lo paras y ya. Tú lo puedes parar.
It smells good.